I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves Broadways or Shirley Temples or Manhattans or Alexanders, or some people actually call them Cincinnatis, I learned. Butterflies, some people call these a scissor step. I call something different a Cincinnati and something different a scissor step, but the point is, this step has a lot of names. And I get roasted a lot on social media because I call them Broadways, but I'm here to tell you it's valid that they are called Broadways. It is also valid that they are called Shirley Temples, and it is also valid that they are called Manhattans, Alexanders, Cincinnatis, scissors, whatever. Every name for this step is a valid name, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna call it a Broadway. That's my disclaimer. Please do not come at me. All right, so it's a Broadway variation, which I absolutely love. So it's gonna work a lot on articulation of the heels, which is the hardest part to get down with these. So if you're a dance teacher and you wanna bring this to class, it is a really, really great one to make sure everyone's using the correct heel at the correct time, because it does switch them up. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right. So we start with two Broadways, one to the right, one to the left. If you're coming to this video not knowing what a Broadway or a Manhattan or a Shirley Temple is, I do have a video right down there in the description. There's a whole playlist of step tutorials. So there's a whole video on there just on the Broadway, Manhattan, Shirley Temple, Alexander, whatever. A whole video just to teach you that step. If you've never done that step before, go to that video first, then come back here, because this video starts with the assumption that we all know what that step is and how to do it. But if you don't, that's okay. I got you. I got you in that playlist. All right. So Broadway right, Broadway left. Heel, lap, heel, heel, spin, heel, toe, heel, heel, lap, heel, heel, spin, heel, toe, heel. So when you do that one, you're using your opposite heel first, right? Flow lap with the right, left, right, spank, heel, toe, heel, flow lap with the left, right, left, spank, heel, toe. For the next part, you're going to be using the same heel. So you have that opposite and then same. Very, you have to be conscious of the switch. That's why I love doing this in my classes. So you have and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Now your feet are going to go front, back, front, back. You're going to do faux lap, heel, heel, faux lap, heel, heel, faux lap, heel, heel, faux lap, heel, heel. So you go front, faux lap, right, left. So this is same heel first. Faux lap, right, left. Now you go brush back, back flap, right, left, heels. I'm afraid I'm going to fall off. Okay, I'm not. Heel, heel. So you go faux lap, right, left, brush step, up, right, left, faux lap, right, left, brush step, right, left. So you're going back, or front, back, front, back. So let's try that. Faux lap, heel, heel, faux lap, heel, heel, faux lap, heel, heel, faux lap, heel, heel. Just that part. 5, 6, 7, 8. Faux lap, right, left, faux lap, right, left, faux lap, right, left, faux lap, right, left. Good. Okay, let's go. Right. Let's go Broadways, and then front, back, faux lap, heel, heels. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. If you're just listening to it, doesn't it kind of just sound like and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5? The rhythm stays even. That's another thing that this works on. So that's the first part. You have two Broadways, and then front, back, front, back. Then you do two more Broadways. So you're here, your right foot's free again. You're gonna do the same faux lap, right, left, faux lap, right, left, faux lap, right, left. So it's the same heel first. This time you're only going forward, but we're turning in a circle. Faux lap, right, left. Now I faux lap this way. Faux lap, right, left. Faux lap, right, left. Faux lap, right, left. And that gets you all the way back around to the front. So let's try that. Okay, same heels, the same heels. You're just not brushing back. You brush forward each time, but you're turning your body. As you can see, I'm kind of using my left arm to turn me a little. All right, so let's go from Broadways into the circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. let's do the first part and then the second part. So 2 Broadways, then front, back, 2 Broadways, around the circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and front, and back, and front, and back, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Okay, shall we try that with music? So music is there to help us stay on tempo and give us something to stay with. I think it's such a great tool to remind everybody why it has to be in time. Because if the drummer goes off of the rest of the band, oh, that's gonna be a mess. We're the drummer. We can't go off from the band. We have to stay with the band. The band relies on us to keep the tempo, okay? That's what I always tell my students. All right, let's try it. Can we try it one more time since we successfully managed it? Can we try it one more time, but this time we start with the left foot? So this, if you're starting with the left foot, it's left, right. Now your left heel, or your left foot is the one going front, back, front, back. So the left heel goes down first. So no matter what, unless you're doing the 2 traditional Broadways, the same foot that flaps, that's the heel that goes down first. So if we start with the left foot, it's left, right. So, shall we try it on the left? We got this. And when you go all the way around the circle, same thing. Left foot, left heel first. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Such a good time. This was a short and sweet technique exercise, but it's going to be a lot of fun to bring to class. It's a great exercise to do center, and it's really cool to have 2 different people go 2 different ways at the same time because they tend to look like the gears of a clock, if you know what I mean. It's super cool. So yeah, I hope you had a blast learning this exercise. I always have so much fun teaching these things to you. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, yard work, the sound of yard work. Oh yeah, technique exercises like this. We've got step tutorials like I mentioned earlier. We have choreography tutorials where you can learn a dance to like a popular or timeless song. And then we have vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's all free TAP class and it's all for you, so please take advantage of it. I love being your online TAP teacher. Thank you for joining me for online TAP class. And I'm just gonna say, for all the videos that I filmed today and last week, for anyone that's been watching all of them, I do apologize for all of the yard work we've had to deal with, but my summer schedule has gotten crazy and I have so few days that I can actually film. So whenever I have a day, I just kind of gotta deal with it. And there's somehow less yard work in the morning than there is in the afternoon, which is weird because Florida gets hotter in the afternoon. So, no, actually, yeah, you would think more people would be mowing their lawn in the morning. Anyway, that's not important. What I'm saying is thank you so much for dealing with the ambient noise that I just have to live with, I guess. But hopefully it's not too bad. But I just wanted to thank you because I am not going to stop doing these tutorials. I'm not going to stop building this channel. I just need it to work with my schedule sometimes, and the yard work doesn't. So, but anyway, I had a blast as always. Thank you for dancing with me.